confidence.
Successful partnership.
Our customers are very robust and they have all their different ways. But what I feel is the best way in my mind is just to sit down with them and crank through projects, because everybody designs differently. They all splice differently. They all have webbing differently. So if I'm sitting there with them, going through their projects from start to finish, they gain that confidence. And then once they gain the confidence, then they don't feel like they're on an island. And then they're like, all right, bring on the next project. Let's crank through another project. And then once you start getting them through, towards the end of the week, they've been through 5 projects already, going, I think this program can work for me. And that's how I kind of get them away from skepticism or anything like that, is just get into the software. What doubts do you have? And I could show you everything to get this trust to work, or I could show you all the tools we do have to get you through this project.